How can life be what you want it to be? You're frozen when your heart's not open. If I could melt your heart, we'd never be apart. If I could melt your heart, we'd never be apart. If it's late in the night, you can call me. It's okay, I'm alright, I'll keep on falling. And I wish you were here to put it on me, but I'm the only one invited to my party. I just can't be what you want me to be. You got me drowning in emotion. I couldn't see what you want me to see. There's no fixing me, I'm frozen. If I could melt your heart, we'd never be apart. For a night, yeah, this can all be yours. I'll make you feel things you ain't never felt before. Lately, you say I've been running your mind. How could I move on and leave you behind? Trust it gets easier every time. Trust me, I do the shit every time. You got some demons inside. I cannot help you, I'm battling mine. I saw my heart got me frozen inside. Calling in sick for the rest of my life. I just can't be